Hi, I'm Twyla from My Bilingual Life. I want to help you become bilingual. Today I want to talk to you about the verb subir. It means to go up or to climb. This verb is a regular IR verb in the present tense conjugation. Here's a chart of the subject pronouns. If you're not familiar with these, make sure that you take a look at our video that explains them and how they're helpful in the use of conjugation. As I mentioned, subir is a regular IR verb in the present tense. So these are the regular IR verb endings. So for subir, we have yo subo. Tú subes. Él sube. Ella sube. Usted sube. Nosotros subimos. Nosotras subimos. Vosotros subís. Vosotras subís. Ellos suben. Ellas suben. Ustedes suben. Let's read through this one more time. Yo subo. Tú subes. Él sube. Ella sube. Usted sube. Nosotros subimos. Nosotras subimos. Vosotros subís. Vosotras subís. Ellos suben. Ellas suben. Ustedes suben. Let's read through some sentences with these verbs. Yo subo a la cama. I get on the bed. Yo subo a la cama. Tú subes la escalera. You climb the ladder. Tú subes la escalera. La maestra sube al carro. The teacher gets in the car. La maestra sube al carro. Nosotros subimos los grados. We bring up our grades. Nosotros subimos los grados. Ellos suben al árbol. They climb the tree. Ellos suben al árbol. I hope this has helped you with the verb subir in the present tense. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos. I'll see you soon. Nos vemos.